Oh my god. To me, like, this doesn't impress me. You need to get out. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a FabFitFun unboxing slash review slash is it worth it type of video. Just because I started I think in summer 2018 or fall 2018. I got the winter box, fall box, and then this is the spring box, and I just recently unsubscribed actually, just because in Canada it's $89 I think it charges me a month.
Okay, first of all, it's 4 times a year. $89 every season, which means 4 times a year, not every month. Also, I am so obnoxious in this clip with my hair. I can't stop touching it, and I apologize. I'm so sorry.
For the box, don't get me wrong, it's not that expensive for what you get in the box. I'll go into further detail like later on, is it worth it. I wanted to unbox the spring 2019 FabFitFun box because I love it. I love FabFitFun, I just couldn't afford it anymore. So I find this box's packaging is so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. This is kind of what it looks like when you get it. You always get like this little magazine pamphlet thing. And oh my god, the design is so cute. Here's the thing about the boxes, like the boxes itself, the cardboard. I always want to keep them because they're so cute, but like I have to throw them out. I have no use for them. Like I'm not just going to keep it in my room. But they're so cute. Like look at that. Oh god, you're going to need to stop. He's literally just going to stay in here. Okay, moving on. So I'm kind of going to go through the magazine really quick. Basically, it shows you exactly what's going to be inside the box. And it shows you the options that you could have gotten or what you did like get, and it kind of just explains it. And then you keep flipping and it will go in detail with everything that could have been in your box, and it'll tell you how to use it or how much it's worth too. That's one thing that I'll keep referring to a lot. Oh my god. By the way, this is not a sponsorship or collab in any way. Like I do not have a discount code for your first box. Like I don't have $10 off your first box, stuff like that. It's really just putting my opinion out there. I bought it for like 4 seasons and I will explain what it's worth. But first, we're unboxing the spring 2019 because I did peek inside of it, and so far I'm pretty impressed. The first thing that we got that I see is Sip by Swell. I never heard of Sip by Swell. I have like 4 Swell bottles, honestly, from like Christmases, birthdays, like 2 years ago maybe. But basically Swell bottles are like for cold and hot drinks, keep them really hot or keep them really cold. I don't know why this is like, usually the Swell bottles are different, but this one's in like a cool shape. I mean, it's pretty cute, don't get me wrong, but the color is super vibrant. Like that is really bright, and I'm not a bright person. Like I wish it was like a pastel pink or something. Like, ooh, it's very out there, but perfect for the gym. And on here it says that it was $19.99 and colors will be randomly selected, which is basically like everything is colors depend. Like I got a mini Foreo I think in the winter box, and I got like a light pink one, but some people got like light blue. I mean, I'm still happy with this. Like that's really cool. A water bottle, I love water bottles. The next thing I see, which oh my gosh I'm so happy for, is Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. This is so cool in my opinion. I've been wanting to try Tula for so long because of Whitney Simmons. This is the Purifying Face Cleanser. Use morning and night, massage onto wet skin, rinse with water. And this says it was $28. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Like I'm so happy. You need to get out. Okay. Next that I see is Lavido Aromatic. Holy shit. I guess it's just a body lotion. $19. So yeah. I wonder if it smells good. Oh, that's strong. Oh, like I have so many body lotions. That's the problem. Like from buying them myself and just getting them in like FabFitFun boxes. I think I've gotten already 2 from out of 4 boxes. Like cool. I might just give this like to a friend for a birthday or something. Next up is Dr. Brandt Skincare No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which is super cool because I've heard of Dr. Brandt before. Never tried the stuff, but visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles, which I personally struggle with the most out of everything in my skincare and my face, like is the dark circles under my eyes. So I'm super excited to try this. And this was $42, which is quite hefty on the bank account, but that's cool. Next up is Away Hair Care. I've never tried any Away products, so excited. Leave-in conditioner, awesome. I love leave-in conditioners, like I have a few, but still it's amazing to try a new hair care brand. This is what it looks like. This was $26. Next, I haven't seen this one actually. Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliate. Oh, it's French. Ah, it's sealed. I want to smell it. I can't smell it. I'm too lazy to open this, but basically, I'm guessing this is just a shower scrub, but it's super cute packaging, and it is black, like it's charcoal. Anyways, that's cool. I'm excited to try that. $24 for that. Honestly, so far I'm pretty impressed. Like, this is a pretty good box. Next, Show Me Your Moo Moo. This is a $84. What the heck? It's a robe for $84. I'm gonna open it and put it on because I'm curious. $84. See, this like is one of my least favorite things. I mean, who knows? It could be like really cool. I look like an idiot. Yeah, that sucks. I would have definitely never spent $84 on a robe that looks like that. I'm not saying it's ugly, like don't get me wrong. I'm not happy about this. I saw this earlier whenever I like received the package. Like, is it stained? What the heck? I don't go on picnics. And if I go on a picnic, I doubt that I'm ever gonna bring something like this. Don't get me wrong, this is pretty cool. Like, we've got cutlery for 2 people. They're kind of cute. And then we've got these plastic plates. I don't know. To me, like, this doesn't impress me. This was $30, which whatever. It is what it is. But like, dude, listen. I could have gotten this or Key sunglasses. Like, you know, K? I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Key, but that like doesn't make sense to me. You know those freaking like $60 sunglasses? Yeah. I'm upset because I would have much rather those. Like, look at that. I could have gotten those too. But instead I got this stupid ass whatever. Overall, good box. But I wish I would have made the upgrade for this to get the Key sunglasses because holy jeez, I would have preferred those. Overall, Spring Box 2019, pretty good. Honestly, I'll probably make use out of all these items. If not, I'll just gift them. Like re-gift them to somebody. I kind of want to talk about the pros and cons. So like I mentioned, it's quite expensive. However, you do get it kind of back in value. It's worth a lot more than what you pay for the box. The box, I think it's 75 Canadian, but I end up paying like 89 total per season, so 4 times a year. It comes up to a lot, but I think it's worth it. If you're financially able to afford 90 bucks 4 times a year, every season, like, then by all means go for it. Like, you get a lot of bang for your buck. It's just, you sometimes don't get stuff that you'll ever use. Like, I have a lot of stuff from FabFitFun boxes that are just laying in my cupboards. Like, I did do it for 4 seasons, as I mentioned, and overall, I love what the company stands for. I'd love to keep buying from them because I think it's amazing and so cool. You get to discover new brands. Like the Dr. Brandt, I'm going to be able to discover like about the brand and stuff like that. Also with Tula, I'll get to know some of the products, you know, stuff like that, and it might make me want to repurchase from that brand. But I think it's quite pricey. Basically, overall, in conclusion, I think it is worth it. However, I stopped subscribing to FabFitFun because I can't afford it right now. I'm trying to get money for tuition and that's expensive. So we're just gonna hold off and probably, maybe, honestly, 100% sure in the future I will invest in a FabFitFun subscription again in the future because it's fun. It's like Christmas every season. Like, you get a box in the mail, you're like, oh my god, yes, my FabFitFun is here, and you get to unbox it, and you get so many goodies, and you're so happy. So, do it if you want. I'm sorry I can't give you a discount code or anything, because if I could, I would help you save that coin. But yeah, I hope that the video was helpful for you to understand whether you want the FabFitFun box or not. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because that would help me